Serena getting ready to eat her curry rice. Level number 3. Eat that whole thing. She needs water. Oh! She's supposed to water. She's supposed to water. She's too clumsy. Oh, it's time for her to eat it?
That was a song. Sing it, Serena.
I don't know the words.
Oh.
Hurry up and eat.
Hello?
Goodness.
Yeah, hey. Oh.
Ew.
Oh, hi.
Hurry up, my battery's gonna die. My battery's gonna die.
I'm off base right now, so. Hello? Yeah, I think he's out tomorrow. Where is he?